Little pig, little pig, let me come in, not by the hair of my chinny chin, in which the wolf replies, then I'll huff. And I'll blow your house in. The wolf never did blow down that brick wall. Instead, he climbed upon the roof. And went down the chimney, splat, into a pot of boiling hot water.
Oh God!
This time the fairy tale is going to have a different ending. This time the wolf gets to eat the little piggy.
What are you doing to me? Who are you?
Let's just say I work for the wolf.
Heartless fucking scumbag.
What the fuck did I ever do to you anyway?
Ignorant fat fuck! Don't you realize the misery you put me through?
Why don't you fucking enlighten me?
You arrogant prick! You don't even remember me? You ran me off the road! You must have been in a big fucking rush that day! Well, I'll never forget it. I was driving home from work. You came barreling down the road like you owned it! Motherfucker! What the fuck is your major malfucking function? I was face first into a fucking tree. A week later, I wake up to find out my balls are gone. I lost my wife, my job, and on top of all that, I got this to remind me what you did to me.
That wasn't me.
You lying cocksucker! You left me to die. I saw your license plate number. It's embedded in my mind. 53VR99.
You got it all wrong. I gave that car away a long time ago. I can't believe this. You've been doing this to me all this time, and it wasn't even me.
Then who the fuck did you give it to?
I gave it to my brother.
You better not be fucking lying!
I can't leave without giving you a proper goodbye.